Our hair is our crowning glory, and just like any other part of our body, it needs proper care and nourishment to thrive. At the core of healthy hair lies a protein called keratin. Keratin is like the building block of hair strands, providing structure, strength, and elasticity. It's what gives hair its natural shine and resilience. However, our hair is constantly exposed to various aggressors that can weaken its protein structure. Heat styling, chemical treatments, environmental pollutants, and even everyday wear and tear can deplete keratin levels, leaving our hair dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. This is where hair protein treatments come to the rescue. These treatments are like a replenishing dose of keratin for your hair, designed to restore lost protein and bring back its natural health and vitality. Think of it as giving your hair a much-needed protein boost, just like a protein shake after a workout. Imagine your hair strands as delicate threads woven together. When these threads are strong and intact, your hair looks and feels healthy and vibrant. However, damage can fray and weaken these threads, leading to breakage, split ends, and a lackluster appearance. Hair protein treatments work by filling in the gaps and cracks in the hair shaft caused by damage. They contain hydrolyzed proteins, which are simply smaller fragments of proteins that can easily penetrate the hair cuticle and bind to the hair shaft. Once these proteins bind, they create a protective barrier, strengthening the hair shaft, preventing further damage, and improving its overall appearance. The results? Hair that's noticeably stronger, smoother, shinier, and more manageable. Imagine transforming your hair from feeling like straw to feeling like silk. That's the power of hair protein treatments. These treatments are like a magic potion for damaged hair, working from the inside out to repair, rebuild, and revitalize each strand. They're not just a temporary fix, but a long-term solution for achieving and maintaining healthy, beautiful hair. Think of it this way. If your hair were a beautiful garment, protein treatments would be the expert tailor, mending any tears, reinforcing weak spots, and restoring it to its former glory. The benefits of incorporating protein treatments into your hair care routine are numerous and impressive. Let's delve into how these treatments can transform your hair from the inside out. First, increased strength and elasticity. Protein treatments are renowned for their ability to fortify hair strands, making them more resistant to breakage and split ends. This is particularly beneficial for those with chemically treated, heat-styled, or naturally weak hair. Second, enhanced hydration and moisture retention. Protein helps to seal the hair cuticle, preventing moisture loss and keeping hair hydrated. This results in softer, smoother, and more manageable hair with reduced frizz and flyaways. Third, improved texture and shine. By smoothing down the hair cuticle and enhancing light reflection, protein treatments leave your hair with a healthy, glossy sheen. Say goodbye to dull, lifeless hair and hello to radiant, luminous locks. Finally, damage repair. Protein treatments excel at repairing damage caused by heat styling, chemical treatments, and environmental aggressors. They work by filling in damaged areas of the hair shaft, restoring its strength and integrity. Just like there's no one-size-fits-all approach to fashion, there's a wide array of hair protein treatments available, each with its unique benefits and ideal hair types. Let's explore some of the most popular options. First, keratin treatments. These treatments are the heavy hitters of the protein world, renowned for their ability to smooth and straighten even the most unruly hair. They work by infusing the hair with keratin, which is then sealed in using heat, resulting in long-lasting smoothness and shine. Second, collagen treatments. Collagen is another vital protein found naturally in our hair, responsible for maintaining its elasticity and hydration. Collagen treatments are particularly beneficial for those with dry, brittle, or aging hair, as they help to restore moisture, bounce, and vitality. Third, silk protein treatments. If you're dreaming of luxuriously soft, smooth, and shiny hair, silk protein treatments are your go-to choice. These treatments are gentler than keratin treatments and ideal for adding a touch of luxury and manageability to all hair types. Lastly, other protein sources. In addition to keratin, collagen, and silk, many protein treatments incorporate a blend of other beneficial proteins derived from sources like wheat, soy, oats, and various other plants. These plant-based proteins provide a nourishing boost of amino acids essential for healthy hair growth and strength. Section 5. Choosing the right protein treatment. A guide for every hair type. With so many protein treatment options available, It can be overwhelming to know which one is right for you. Don't worry, we're here to help you navigate the world of protein treatments and find your perfect match. First, consider your hair type. Just like with any hair care product, it's essential to choose a protein treatment that aligns with your hair type and its specific needs. For instance, fine hair can benefit from lightweight protein treatments in the form of conditioners or leave-in treatments to avoid weighing it down. On the other hand, thick, coarse hair may require more intensive deep conditioning treatments or masks to provide adequate protein replenishment. And well, curly hair types often benefit from protein treatments that enhance curl definition and reduce frizz. Next, assess your hair's damage level. The extent of damage your hair has undergone will also influence your protein treatment choice. Light protein treatments found in conditioners and styling products are suitable for maintaining healthy hair or addressing minor damage. Deep conditioning treatments or masks provide a more concentrated dose of protein for moderate damage. Reconstructors are the most potent type of protein treatment and should be used sparingly to address severe damage, as overuse can lead to protein overload. Section 6. Using hair protein treatments. A step-by-step guide for optimal results. Incorporating protein treatments into your hair care routine doesn't have to be complicated. Follow these simple steps to maximize their benefits. First, begin by washing your hair with a clarifying shampoo to remove any product buildup, dirt, or impurities that could hinder the treatment's absorption. Next, follow the instructions on your chosen protein treatment carefully. Generally, you'll apply the treatment to damp hair, starting from the roots and working your way down to the ends. Then, most protein treatments require some dwell time to allow the proteins to penetrate the hair shaft effectively. This could range from a few minutes to up to an hour, depending on the product. Be sure to check the instructions for the recommended processing time. After that, once the processing time is up, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water until all traces of the treatment are gone. Don't forget protein treatments can sometimes leave hair feeling a bit dry, so it's essential to follow up with a moisturizing conditioner to restore moisture balance and softness. Lastly, the frequency with which you use protein treatments depends on your hair's individual needs. For maintenance or minor damage, once a month is usually sufficient. If your hair is more damaged, you can increase the frequency to once every 2 weeks. However, avoid overusing protein treatments as this can lead to protein overload. Section 7. Top Hair Protein Treatments of 2024. Expert recommendations for luscious locks. With so many hair protein treatments available, finding the best can be tough. Fear not, hair enthusiasts. We've curated top-rated hair protein treatments of 2024 to help you achieve your hair goals. First, Olaplex No. 3. Hair Perfector repairs damaged hair bonds. Next, K18. Leave-in Molecular Repair Hair Mask reverses damage in 4 minutes. Then, Briogeo. Don't despair, repair. Deep Conditioning Mask for dry damaged hair. Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration. Hair mask is budget-friendly and nourishing. Lastly, Apogee. 2-step protein treatment for severely damaged hair. Section 8. The science behind protein overload. Striking the right balance for healthy hair. While protein is essential for healthy hair, too much can backfire. Our hair needs a balance of protein and moisture. Overusing protein treatments can lead to protein overload, making hair dry and brittle. Imagine a sponge. A balanced sponge is soft and absorbent. Soaking it in glue makes it stiff and brittle. Similarly, too much protein makes hair rigid and dry. To avoid this, choose treatments based on your hair's needs. Follow product instructions and monitor your hair's response. If it feels dry or brittle, you may have protein overload. Use moisturizing treatments to maintain balance. Consult a hairstylist if unsure. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing hair protein for stronger, healthier, more beautiful hair. In the quest for luscious, healthy hair, protein is an indispensable ally. By understanding the vital role protein plays in hair health, exploring the diverse world of protein treatments, and learning how to incorporate them effectively into your hair care routine, you can unlock the secret to stronger, shinier, and more resilient hair. Remember, just like any aspect of self-care, consistency is key. By making protein treatments a regular part of your hair care regimen, you're investing in the long-term health and beauty of your hair, allowing it to thrive and radiate with natural vitality. Embrace the power of protein and let your hair shine from the inside out.